This video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here again on a lovely, lovely Wednesday. It is also a historic day. Absolutely historic. It is the day of the third Litecoin halving. To me, this is just as big as the Bitcoin halving. And I'm a nerd. I'm a geek. I am so in love with this space. I'm so in love with Bitcoin, Litecoin, that I'm hyped to be here. So hyped to be here, and I hope you guys are hyped to be here as well. If you guys are zesty, make sure you guys are smashing that like, you're commenting, you're subscribing to the channel, and sharing this stream out with friends so more people know what's going on with Bitcoin, Litecoin, what the halving is, what this all means, updates on my visit to the Ivy League College, Columbia, also a Litecoin giveaway, and the news. I got you. Every single thing you need is here. Hi. Welcome. Guys, make sure you guys are checking out our lovely sponsors, none other than Cake Wallet. Shouts to Cake Wallet. It was a big conversation about Cake Wallet yesterday when I went to Columbia. I'll get into that in a moment. Cipher, make sure you guys check out Cipher as well. Link is in the live chat, in the description. Make sure to use code ZESTY or code missteencrypto for 20% off at checkout. Please use those codes. Please use that link. I'm going to say hi to everyone in the chat. If you are here, please say hello to me. Please let me know that you're here. Again, make sure you guys are sharing the stream out with friends. If you guys X this or post on X or tweet, whatever, however you refer to it, make sure if you do that, you tag me. I'll shout you out. Also, post on wherever you could about this stream because this is absolutely historic. Like I said, there's only so many halvings that will happen, and it's just an amazing opportunity to be here so early in this space and experiencing it with you all, essentially. So I also wore the blue dress today. I was just like full Litecoin mode, blue, zesty, love. Also, if you are a member, make sure you guys are throwing in those Litecoin emojis in the chat because we do have Litecoin emojis because we love Litecoin so very much. Okay, let's get into it. I want to see how many people are here. We need 100 likes. We need 125 likes. Ideally, I would like 840 likes because 84 million Litecoin never exists, you know, but that's crazy, I guess. 125 likes, 100 live viewers. I know we can get it. Let's get after it. Woo! Hi, everyone. Okay, I want to say hi. I can't wait anymore. Dan Ruggs Disrupt and Oval Boar. I see they have like some sort of relationship thing going on with some household stuff. I was reading that before. I was getting such a kick out of it. What's up, Aiden, over there on TikTok? Who else is over there on TikTok before I get into Kenio, good morning. Brian, good morning. Reese, good morning. You're sending as many likes as I can for you and your live streams. Thank you so much, Reese. I appreciate that. I appreciate your love and like dedication to the stream. Chris Hanley, nice to see you. Randy A, what's up? All right, who else we got? We got Emma, Crypto Crag. Happy Halving Day, or is it Halvening? No, it's Halvening. If you didn't know, it's Halvening. Dan Ruggs Disrupt. I know I shouted you out before. All set. Rick, nice to see you. What's up? Who else is here? We got Automatic Beats. My girl, Alexandra G. We love Alexandra G. Shout out to her. Productivity, what's up to you? Eric, a.k.a. Bulldog. Whoa!
Happy LTC halving day. Thanks for putting up with my antics in and out of crypto, brightening up my days, educating on blockchain fundamentals, and everything else you do. Appreciate and cherish you more than you'll ever know. 6.250000000 LTC. Go buy LTC for Randy. Let's get it going fast this morning.
What the? Whoa! I'm already crying. Oh my gosh, what is happening already? I'm emotional. I'm actually. Oh my god, what? Dude, what? Like, where do I even start right there? I just got 6 Litecoin. And Uncle Jimmy gave me a $100 super chat. I haven't even been on here for 5 minutes, bro. I just don't even know what to say. That was so insane. That was just a double freaking whammy. Oh my god. Wow, what the actual... That was so insane to me, man. Okay. Well, that was something. That was incredible. Thank you guys so much. Like, I don't even know what to say. Like, I don't know whether to dance like woo 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 or to cry. Oh my god.
Well, damn, I feel like I have to give Let's Get It.
No, thank you, man. What is going on with you, you crazy miner? You're a crazy miner. Crazy. Wow, that I just literally got like a Litecoin new, like after the halving, that's the block reward right there. That's what I... Whoa, dude, like what is happening? Stop, other miner again. It's like I have to shh. Shoosh. Thank you. WWE reference for y'all that don't get it. What is going on? You just upgraded again and for 5 months of being a top-notch zesty friend. Wow. What is going on, dude? This is insane. Pamp it up! Guys, we are Litecoin Halving!
Buy more Litecoin.
Thank you. What is going on, dude? You see how red I am? You see the... Okay. Well, this is happening. Wow. What is happening right now? Oh. Holy sheesh. Thank you so much. Guys, I don't even know what to say. Like, that was so wild. That is so wild. So we're here to celebrate the Litecoin halving. Thank you guys so much. I don't even know what to say. Like, I was just saying hi to y'all, and that just got wild. Uncle Jimmy's asking how Colombia went. I'll talk. We'll talk about it, Uncle Jimmy. We could get into that, man. Oh my gosh. Aww. Thank you. Oh my gosh, I actually can't. Like, I am so freaking bewildered right now. I'm a little thrown. What's going on? I don't even know what's going on, dude. That's...
We love you.
Alexandra G. Like, I actually, this is so crazy. Wow, I'm actually so emotional right now. This is beyond belief. Wow, yeah, I need a cookie. I need a freaking cookie. Yeah, I'm trying, no. Papa Tom is in the chat. Freaking Papa Tom. He said I'm loved. So much love to Papa Tom, man. My Litecoin bro. Wow, I'm so emotional. This is so... I don't even know. I don't even know what to say. Thank you guys so much. I'm literally gonna hodl with diamond hands. I literally freaking love you guys. I almost said a bad word, but I really do. Wow. Oh my gosh, Taco Berry. Hi, Taco. Another fave. Wow. Sheesh. Thank you guys so much. I don't even know what to say. Thank you. If you aren't a member yet, make sure you are, so that way you could drop your Litecoin emojis. There's so many Litecoin emojis. Wow. Okay. That was that. Alexandra G, Eric, other miner, sheesh, thank you. Uncle Jimmy. No. Wow. Okay. That was insane. So we're gonna get this show started. I'm not gonna cry anymore. I'm gonna try my best, guys. The Litecoin halving is happening. It's happening very soon. According to this countdown, we got an hour and 15 minutes, so we don't have that much time left. And of course, like, it was shown that, oh my gosh, the block reward goes from 12.5 Litecoin to 6.25 Litecoin. And this is actually historic. It's a crazy day in history, and I'm so grateful that we get to celebrate it together.
This is from Taco Berry 1.
Uncle Jimmy and Cuzzy Taco. Cuzzy Taco. Thank you, Cuzzy Taco. Oh my god. What is actually... You guys are insane. You guys are insane. I dropped my tissue. It has some mascara on it. Wow. Thank you. I'm trying to, like, get myself together right now. Woo. Thank you. Wow. Emotion, tears, overwhelm. Oh my God. Just 1 minute while I get myself together. I think I'm good now. I was in the elevator for a moment. Get it? Okay. All right, well, the Litecoin halving is in an hour and 7 minutes. I'm having way too much time. I see Ozzy has returned to the chat. Chris Hanley, most rewards from... Oh, wait, wow, this chat is flying. Wow, this chat is flying. I can't even keep track. Whoa, someone's putting their Litecoin address in there. Be careful, my friend. Be careful. Wow, thank you guys so much for joining. I see Ozzy returned. Hope you're okay, Ozzy. All right, guys. Well, we're getting into that. I want to talk about Colombia since y'all are asking about that as well. Colombia was absolutely amazing. Since we have some time before the halving, we're gonna talk about Colombia. Colombia was amazing. If you guys don't know what Colombia is, it is a high school. It is a college, a university, an Ivy League college in Manhattan. I have spoken at high schools before. I've spoken to middle schools. I've spoken to other colleges. I've spoken to adults. Every age group you could imagine I've talked to. And to speak to Columbia University students yesterday was just something that I've always wanted to talk at an Ivy League school. I was just so happy that I got the opportunity to do it.
You are the absolute best.
Please, dude.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
I can't. Like, the tears are flowing out of my face. You keep sending me money. I'm getting myself together. 100%. This is actually... I don't even... Wow. I need another tissue. That is wild. Thank you so much. Like, thank you so much. Wow.
Oh my God.
Wow. I need a sip of water. I need to reset. I need to reset real quick. Okay. Oh my gosh. Gary Gensler, man, he's gonna send me a Wells notice, bro. He's gonna send me to the SEC jail. I'm gonna be hanging out with SPF in his mom's basement. Oh, Gary, man. Oh, Gary. Well, I don't know. Gary might not be happy that I went to Columbia yesterday. Okay. Again, I went to Columbia. I went to Columbia University yesterday, and that was an amazing experience. It's an Ivy League college. I spoke to students about Bitcoin, crypto, NFTs. If I'm going to figure out a way, like, because I couldn't really record the students because it was school policy. So it was a little weird how I had to record it and stuff, but I'm going to do my best to put up what I can from it. Basically, they were kind of focusing on blockchain, kind of learning the underlying tech. They were learning about money. And shout out to Lindsley Medlin, who is the professor, I should say. Professor, right? College professor. The teacher. He was absolutely awesome. He's been in the space for years, and he knows some really awesome people. He was talking to me about that, and he invited me because he wanted them to hear from someone that's close to their age that they could relate to about Bitcoin, crypto, and how whatever he's teaching them, how that really all ties in and can, I guess, relate, right? So I came in, I started off kind of like with an intro of like who I am, how I got into crypto, and kind of just kept it like an open forum. And I didn't expect to take that much time. The class was from like 1 to 3. I was speaking, guys, for an hour and a half. By the end of it, like my back started to hurt a little bit, and I was like, why do I feel a little bit tired? And then they were like, it's been an hour and a half. And it was just an amazing time. I know I've done hour classes, but I haven't, like, that was probably the longest I've ever gone. Teaching, speaking that was an hour and a half. Absolutely insane that I could engage with these other people like that are around my age. They understand what's going on. And we just talked about Bitcoin, crypto, NFTs, how this all plays into the future, how it actually ties into central bank digital currencies. And I even met some students that were from
216.106635
hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes.
For you. It was really interesting, the questions they were asking. Thank you so much, man. I'm trying not to cry. When I was there, they were asking some questions, and they were learning about the tech and stuff. They were kind of talking about money, but we were talking about how to get onboarded, what wallets to download, and that's, of course, where I mentioned before Cake Wallet really came into the situation. Speaking of Cake Wallet, we partnered for a Litecoin giveaway. We're currently giving away 2 Litecoin. You guys see how crazy this is, bro? How crazy this is going? You better get in this. Because we didn't know exactly when the halving was going to happen, because the time, of course, varies. This, you have literally post-halving to get in this. So I'm giving you guys a last chance. 5 p.m. Eastern is when this ends. So please enter this giveaway ASAP. Give yourself a chance to win 2 Litecoin. Anyway, we were just talking about what wallets to download. And of course, that's where Cake Wallet came into the conversation. How can you spend it, et cetera, et cetera. And it was just wild to... Oh, Chillgasm, you said you made a Cake Wallet. Yes! Get yourself some Cake Wallet, man. It's really awesome. You can spend it, everything. If you guys haven't spoken to a lot of younger people, their questions are a little different, but they're almost the same, right? They were asking about the volatility of Bitcoin. They were asking, how do you really spend it? How does someone under 18 get involved if they want to get involved? Or if they're over 18, where do they go? So these were all really good questions that they were asking me. And it was just something that they were just so engaged. And at the end, I brought, of course, my stickers, my cards, and my wristbands, and they all took some. I even brought a ballet wallet. I was there. I was talking about ballet as well. So I brought one of these. And I only just brought one as like a sample to like, because I of course, don't have like a whole 20 boxes of these. But I did have some spare, so I took one, and I was just showing it to them, and they were so interested in it. I threw it on the desk. It was gone. It made me so happy that they really wanted it, and that they were just so engaged. Like I said, it was, whenever I go to schools, the classes are so there, and they don't even look at their phones. It's just such a great experience, man. Like, it really is. When I'm going to show you guys a few pictures of the experience. So this was me kind of like right, if you guys take a look at the picture, this is just one building. And I was on the left side. There was another building, which is what I went into. I think it was like Hamilton building or something like that. Very historic vibes. Anyway, this was just one building. This campus is absolutely huge. It's big. Just this part is bigger than a few cities. They take up like 10 city blocks, a few avenues. And if you understand like the city and how big that is, then you're absolutely just as mind blown as me. Beautiful campus. As you could tell, the grass is very well kept. I don't know if that matters, but next we're gonna dive into some pictures. Like I said, I really couldn't take pictures of them, so I kind of had to like blur them a little bit. But I was signing digital autographs. Get this, guys. So you want to see how far Gen Z is down that digital rabbit hole? No joke. They were asking me not to sign paper autographs. And asking me to sign an autograph in general is dope. But the fact that they asked me if I could sign their phone. So that way, get this, how funny is it? They asked me to sign digital autographs, so they took out their phone. They're like, can you sign my phone? And I want to make this into an NFT later on. That is the future. That is where Gen Z's head is at. Not only do they not want paper autographs, they want digital autographs that they could then tokenize on the blockchain. Look at this, guys. I was signing somebody's phone. You see me laughing? I was getting such a kick out of that. I thought it was so funny. But there you go. And you guys could see right there even my wristbands and stuff in the corner. My stickers are right there, my card, my wristbands, one of each color. But he was so happy, and I was so happy to make him happy. But I signed this kid's phone as well. So there was like 2 or 3 that I signed their phones. We took some selfies. It was really awesome. So this is just, I wanted to show you this just because it gives you a perspective of where Gen Z's head is at. Again, didn't want a paper autograph, didn't want to take a Polaroid photo. Digital autograph to tokenize. Period. This was a little bit of a silly pose that we did with the class. We did a little bit of silly pose. And those are my NFTs in the background, by the way. So we were talking about NFTs, my NFTs. If you guys want to check out my NFT collection, missteencrypto.com. This was the class, really awesome. The teacher right here, Lindsley Medlin, what a G. And they're all so happy. It was so cute. I absolutely loved it. This was the silly one, so everyone's doing some faces. It was fun. This was the more proper, serious photo. His thumbs up. It was just adorable, man. Like, it was just like a really, really good time. So this was the class. Just amazing, amazing. So there you guys have it first. I wanted to give you guys some perspective and what the class was, what the feel was. What was this? Thank you. Yeah, so I loved this. This was such a good experience, guys. I can't even tell you, man. Can't even tell you how happy I was to do this. This is what I'm here for, man. Like this is my mission right here, is to spread Bitcoin, crypto, NFT adoption to Gen Z and educate the masses on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. And I got to do that at an Ivy League college. I chose not to go to college. I was junior year, 2020. I was in high school having to take SATs. I took my ACTs. I got good scores on both. I was a year ahead in mostly all subjects. I had an advanced regents diploma where I took extra tests and I got college credits for not only math, but English college credits, two different college psych credits because I thought I was going to maybe be a psych major. I was tutoring in physics. I was doing like all these crazy things. I was on track to go and maybe go to an Ivy League school, maybe go to any school, really. I was on track, but then I loved crypto so much. And I was just like, yes, psych. That was what I thought my major might have been, was psychology. I took St. John's Psych, and I took Syracuse College Psych. So those were my two. And I also took St. John's English. I took St. John's Pre-Calc. So that was another college credit that I had. So I had a few college credits. I was literally ready to go. I had my overall average for 4 years of high school was like a 97 average. Like I was top-notch nerd. I loved my books. I loved everything about school. And that's why I loved crypto so much, because it's just never-ending learning. And it's everything I love is this. So I made the decision in 2020 where I didn't tell that many people, but in my head, and I said, I want to go full-time crypto. April of 2020, I created missteencrypto. At that time, I didn't think I was going full-time. I was just like, I'm just going to tweet. Then I was applying to colleges, and then I started to gain momentum on crypto Twitter, or X now at the time. I just really entered this different part of my life where I said, this is what I need to do. Like I felt like this was my calling. So when I graduated in 2021 and I was telling people that I'm not going to college, family, friends, people I worked for, everyone was so concerned about me. And people thought I was crazy. You shouldn't do this. You have to go to school. You have to do this. You have to do that. And I didn't want to do what I had to do. I didn't want to do what everybody else was doing, not because it was what everyone else was doing, but because I didn't feel like I should. I didn't feel like I was drawn to college, to sit in a classroom when I could take this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to be missteencrypto, to be someone that could probably hopefully help people, educate people on a new technology that people just don't know about. And instead of my generation being behind the revolution, I hope that I could help my generation be leading this revolution, spearheading this revolution. Now, ironically, someone that didn't go to college, someone that doesn't have that degree, spoke at an Ivy League college yesterday. I didn't go the traditional path that even these kids are going on right now, but I'm happy that I did, because this is what I want to do. This is where I feel like I have to be. There was no day in my mind where I said, I don't want to do this anymore, or I don't want to dive deeper into it. If you guys see my content, it's just, I went from just tweeting to doing 5-second videos to doing on the street interviews to making NFTs, doing podcasts. Like, it's all been a slow progression. It's because every time I do something, I want to do more. That's what led me to the Daily Zest. I was just sitting and I said, I have the Miss Teen Crypto show, but how can I bring more value to my audience? How could I help onboard that next generation? And that's through the Daily Zest. This is something that I'm so happy doing. And and now we get to celebrate historic days like the Litecoin Halving together. One sec, I need a fan. So yeah, that's my little ramble right there.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm out here just doing what I need to do, doing what I love, and with the support of you guys, all the support that you give me, likes, follows, even the super chats, of course, everything helps. Everything is going to push our mission and bring us to that adoption. That is what we're here for. Thank you, Geek Branko. I appreciate all the love. I really do. Right now, we do have 54 minutes until the halving, so the halving is coming up. Again, the block reward for Litecoin is going to go down from 12.5 Litecoin to 6.25 Litecoin. We could look at Bitcoin crypto charts right now and check that out as well. The crypto bubbles or whatever. Like we got some gainers today, some weird things going on. But we have Bitcoin right now, $29,346, down 1.2%. Guys, we had a little bit of a spike with Bitcoin last night. We closed the day at 29.7, but we're retracing. We're almost like bearishly engulfing yesterday's daily candle, which isn't great. But we have Market Cipher showing us that money flow might be starting to come in. We're about to hit that zero line. VWAP is popping up. Momentum is starting to shift. So we could have some interesting things happening here with Bitcoin. Although 28.4 could come back into play. We're hoping that doesn't happen, even though we're on that way. And we go back to 30.5. That's what we're hoping with Bitcoin. We just started a new month, so this is going to be really interesting. I would like to see if we break out this month or outperform any other month in the past 2-3. Because July, we had some nice runs. June, we had some nice runs, but it seems like we're lacking right here in August. We're going to talk about Ethereum right now. 1845 Ethereum. You can see the volume is just bleh. Where's my volume, friends? Where is my volume? You can even check out money flow down. Just trending down. Unlike Bitcoin, that's actually curving up pretty nicely. Ethereum is trending downwards. VWAP looks like sheesh. Momentum looks like sheesh. Hopefully we have some movement. Again, 1820 came back into play yesterday. It's exactly what we were talking about. 1820 came back into play. This was another resistance that we battled through March, April, May, June. That now we're heading back down towards there. Again, we did close. We had a nice pump with Ethereum. We closed at 1874. But now we're trending back down, and we're, at this point, bearishly engulfing yesterday's candle, which is not great, like I said. So hopefully we could head back up to 1911, because that is a huge resistance here, 1911. It's so hard for Ethereum for some reason to go back up to this point. I kind of like this arrow. I wanted to see what that did. That's actually kind of cool. Ethereum, still sideways. I wish I could tell y'all more. What I'm excited about is Litecoin, though, because Litecoin, again, the halving is in 53 minutes. Things are happening right now. Price, though, taking a little bit of a doopity-doo. If you guys take a gander here at Market Cipher, this is telling you. Money flow, down. VWAP, down. Momentum, down. And these are all sharp shifts. So I don't know. This Litecoin's down 4% right now. It's at $90. I don't know. I'm a little worrisome. Even though long term, I'm not really worried about Litecoin, because I know that it's inevitable. Like if Bitcoin's inevitable, I see Litecoin being inevitable as well, just because it gives sound money, it's faster, cheaper, more efficient Bitcoin with 4x the supply. So you still have that finite supply and the halving. That's literally, again, happening in a few moments, 47 minutes. Our local trends, I guess, we're looking at here is $91 Litecoin is a resistance. We already know that. Doopity-doo. Litecoin resistance. Woo. We're right below it. We're battling it right now. Hopefully, again, the halving could bring some zest to the market, bring us up to that $96, that honey 5. And that's what we're hoping for. Come on!
Oh my God!
Litecoin, pimp it up!
Halving and ending.
It's the having. Thank you for the having. The $2 having. That was funny. Thank you. Ben Cohen shared some caution this month. Okay, I got you. It's the having. The having again is happening soon. If you guys look at previous, what does this countdown say while I'm on this? So this says 42 minutes. This says 46. So we have anywhere kind of between that time. Oh yeah. Again, this happens every time Litecoin hits or mines approximately 840,000 blocks. Well, it is not. It's 840,000 blocks, which happens about every 4 years. The first halving was August 25th, 2015. The second halving was August 5th of 2019. So this is pretty close. August 2nd of 2023. That's pretty close. Here we go. Again, the first halving happened at 840,000 blocks. The next one happened at 1.68 million blocks. And the first halving, you guys could see, it's confusing because this halving, we didn't see much price action from Litecoin, as y'all can see. First halving, we kind of sideways traded until basically 2017, we pamped it up. Then 2018, we had that height. And then we kind of drew down, went back up towards the second halving in 2019. Then when we had the second halving, we took a dip to probably like around the current point that we're around now. So it doesn't really make sense to me. Like, you know, people are like, oh, this is going to happen when the halving goes down. Because in my opinion, you really don't know. We have no idea what's going to happen right now after the halving inning. After the halving inning, we need to we're kind of in uncharted territory. We have no idea what's going to happen with price action. That's why when I'm looking at this chart, I'm just so curious because right now we're breaking down a little bit. We're at $89 Litecoin. What's happening? I don't know. Hopefully we get some clarification. We see what happens post-halving. Hopefully we have some actual good trading because this was so flat after the first halving, and then the second halving is just... That's how I feel. Yeah, this was a wild day, Colombia. That was so awesome. Shouts to Colombia. Let's see what's happening in the chat really quick. We're going to talk about the news. We're going to talk about some things going on as well since y'all are here. Yeah, we need to hit 100 likes. Do we have 100 likes yet? The Litecoin half is happening. Yeah, soon. All set. Soon. We have 91 likes. Is that our like count? MetaMask, the miner are going to dump the MTC. Oh, no, MetaMask. Listen, I just got basically a block reward in donation. So if they... Listen, I have a humble home for the Litecoin, okay? All right. Oh, Emma Foster is in here. Hi, Emma Foster. Say hi to John for me. I don't know if John is in here. I don't know if I saw him yet. But shout out to you, Emma. Another icon in the chat. Taco Berry, Emma, Sophia. Just my icons, my little icons. I love you guys. Thank you for coming. I appreciate it. We have 101 likes. Pimp it up!
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, would you look at that? 100 likes.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes.
Gary, I didn't ask you, and you also love Litecoin, and you also love Algo. So I would stay quiet, Gary. Stay quiet. I think Gary Gensler disappeared from the chat because he's a little scared of the Litecoin halving. Yes, we need 125 likes. 100% we do. Pamp it up, guys. We could do it. Michael Saylor, if you haven't seen, bought more Bitcoin. He might buy Litecoin in the future. Who knows? In July, Microstrategy acquired an additional 467 Bitcoin for $14.4 million and now holds 152,800 Bitcoin. Wow. Jimmy!
$100 for 100 again.
Woo! Thank you for the $100 super chat. Let's go! Uncle Jimmy. No one like Uncle Jimmy.
How much LTC to sing a song?
Sing a song. Sing out loud. I don't sing, man. I don't sing, Mike. I just sing out of my own heart. I mean, oh wow, I actually acknowledged you. I made a mistake. Shoot. Shoot. I'm always singing. I don't know. I feel like to sing like a full out song, I don't even know how much Litecoin you would have to pay me. Probably 84. What's going on here? Rotted Pots, member for 4 months, said, Litecoin, let's go. Let's go! Oh my gosh, we are losing it right now. We are losing it. Or maybe I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it. Oh shoot. Holy. Oh my gosh. I'm so dead. That's so awesome. You guys are amazing. Pamp it up. Gotta pamp it up. Don't you know? Pamp it up. Got to pamp it up.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Wow, that's wild. Emma will pay one Litecoin to shut me up. Oh my gosh, I love it. Whoa. Yeah, I'm wearing a blue dress today for the Litecoin halving. I had to celebrate. Wow, that's so awesome. You guys are incredible people. You guys are incredible people. But like I said, we got MetaMask asking to support the stream. Thank you. Again, Microstrategy, doing some really interesting things. Microstrategy is probably one of the top holders of Bitcoin, being that now they hold 152,800 Bitcoin. They just bought an additional 467 Bitcoin for $14.4 million. Even though people might say, oh my gosh, Bitcoin, what's happening with Bitcoin? We don't know. It's sideways trading. Michael Saylor doesn't care. Saylor doesn't care. It even got to the point where MicroStrategy plans a $750 million stock sale to possibly buy more Bitcoin. There's no one, I think, more bullish than to do all these things in order to acquire Bitcoin like Michael Saylor. Do you think he owns too much Bitcoin? At the end of the day, it doesn't take away the decentralization. It doesn't take away the peer-to-peer aspect, owning something. But he does own a lot of Bitcoin. US-based software company Microstrategy is planning to raise up to $750 million via a stock sale and says it may use the proceeds to buy more Bitcoin. In a filing to the SEC on August 1st, MicroStrategy announced it has entered into a sales agreement with 3 companies, Cohen and Company, Canaccord Genuity, and Berenberg Capital, relating to the sale of its Class A common stock. It said the proceeds of the proposed sale could be used for a variety of general corporate purposes, such as the acquisition of more Bitcoin and working capital. Quote, as with prior programs, we may use the proceeds for general corporate purposes, which include the purchase of Bitcoin as well as the repurchase or payment of our outstanding debt, says MicroStrategy Chief Financial Officer Andrew Kang during a second quarter earnings call. Are you a Kang? Quote, our objective is to find ways to generate incremental Bitcoin for our shareholders and do that with either cash flow from the business or do it with intelligent, accretive financings of equity or debt or other intelligent operations, said Michael Saylor on August 1st. Wow, Michael Saylor buying that Bitcoin. MicroStrategy, they did end up doing pretty, I think their stock is doing pretty okay if you look at MicroStrategy stock. take a gander here. Microstrategy has been doing pretty good. If you look at their year-to-date, let's take a gander at their year-to-date. We got January 3rd up till now, pretty much. If you look at where they're at now, they're up 215% Microstrategy, and their height from the bottom to the height of the new year with a wick is 251% in the green Microstrategy. Today it is $425 a share, down 2.27%. A big bull, Michael Saylor. And he's working to acquire that Bitcoin. If you guys have not seen yet, please check out my podcast with Michael Saylor. We had a really good conversation, really educational, really zesty. Sam Bankman-Fried, man. Sam Bankman-Fried, I don't even know, dude. I don't even know. I'm looking at the Litecoin halving. It says 32 minutes. Which one do you guys think is correct? We got 32, and we got 41 minutes. I need to know when this halving is, man. I need to know when this halving is. Okay, so let's keep on going. We're going to continue on our little merry way. This is a beautiful time in history, like I said. But we also have these bad actors, man. Bad actors. Watch the blocks, not the clock. Where can I see what block are we up to? It doesn't even say it. Oh, wait, it does. So we got 2.52. So which one is this one? What's the math now? What block is the next one? What block is that halving on? I didn't do the math on it. Does it say here? 13 blocks left. Okay, so 13 blocks left. So we're looking over here. Okay, I got you. I trust my miners. My miners know better than I do. So you're saying 32 and a half minutes. So then this one is more accurate. I mean, they're both really, I guess they're both only a few seconds off from each other. Nice. Really, really nice. Litecoin halving is about to happen. This is history, literal history, guys. Can we pamp it up for history real quick? We got to pamp it up. Pamp it up for the history. We got 93 people watching. Let's get 100 live viewers and 125 likes, guys. I know you guys can do it. What we got going on right now is Sam Bankman-Fried. He's another person that's going to end up in the history books. Patrick Murphy, thank you for becoming a friend. He said, never trust that halving countdown clock. All right. I gotcha. So, Sam Bankman-Fried, he's getting away with pretty much everything. Even though FTX is set to reboot internationally, U.S. customers are still left in the dust. Sam Bankman-Fried, billions of dollars just gone. Disappeared. Which is, again, why you can't trust other people, other exchanges. $7 billion was recovered from FTX, yet people did not get a single dollar. Campaign financing, where Sam Bankman-Fried just gave a ton of political donations. He was the second largest donor to Joe Biden.
We need more MTC singing and dancing.
I told you, 84. Just kidding. Please don't take that seriously. You'll get more. Don't worry about it. You guys are so wild. Sam Bankman-Fried took billions of dollars, was the second largest donor to Joe Biden, but his campaign finance charges got dropped because I guess that could bring up some more dirty laundry that maybe people don't want brought up. You know what I mean? He's still sitting in his mom's basement. People are speculating he's behind some other token, which I'm not really going for. However, Sam Bankman-Fried, when the DOJ wanted to revoke his bail, because he actually was leaking Caroline Ellison, his ex-girl's diary, to the New York Times. He's saying that he cannot be jailed and his bail should not be revoked because it prevents his free speech rights. Do you think that Sam Bankman-Fried deserves any rights or any free speech rights after what he's done to people? Where there are people that had their savings in FTX when they shouldn't have, but they had their savings in FTX. Now they got wrecked. Where Sam Bankman-Fried is still sitting in his mom's basement, yet there are people that can't even pay their bills now because of FTX. There are people that have a lot of money and a lot of things that they could have done a lot more with if FTX didn't shut down. Celebrities in trouble. But it's okay, Sam Bankman-Fried. He's worried about his free speech. Free speech, I tell you. Let's learn more. Lawyers for former FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried argued Tuesday that last week to revoke his bail was based on thin factual basis, such as a move would violate his right to free speech. Bankman-Fried's attorney said in a filing to a federal judge that the Department of Justice was wrong and that its version of events mischaracterizes the facts and removes them from their proper context to cast Mr. Bankman-Fried's actions and intentions in the most negative light possible. This happened after the DOJ prosecutors filed a written submission in an effort to revoke his bond after the FTX founder shared private diaries written by Alameda Research CEO Caroline Ellison with the New York Times. Bankman-Fried's defense team argued that detaining Bankman-Fried based on his communication with the reporter raises serious First Amendment concerns. Quote, as the government concedes, criminal defendants have a right to talk to the press about their case to influence their public image and try to protect their reputation, as long as the communications are not calculated to pervert the course of justice. Bankman-Fried's attorneys also detaining him at the Metropolitan Detention Center in Brooklyn, too freaking close to me, would make it impossible for him to fully participate in his defense as the facility is in a staffing crisis. The lawyers added that the prison does not permit inmates to have internet access, which would cut him off from key parts of the discovery entirely. Oh, if you're rich like Sam Bankman-Fried and you took billions of dollars and financed campaigns, then you don't have to worry about going to jail. You could say you need your free speech after robbing people, because you won't have internet access and because it's not a good staff for you. It's not enough staff for you to properly have your case. This, to me, is insane. If it was anybody else that did what Sam Bankman-Fried did, they'd be in jail, locked up, made a mockery of on TV. But Sam Bankman-Fried gets no press time. This was barely even covered, if any, on the mainstream media. How is this possible? Why is he allowed to talk to the press? Why is he allowed to say he's not supposed to go to jail? Because it's just simply, at the end of the day, what that all says, it's not convenient for him. Is that fair? It's not fair. Guys, let's get 125 likes. Litecoin Halving is in 30 minutes. 30 minutes. This is insane. Let's move on. We got Worldcoin. I don't even know. Like, you guys, this was insane. Worldcoin is trying to take over your life. Worldcoin, they want you to have nothing and be happy. Give away your identity by scanning your eyeball at an orb. So that way, you don't even know where your details or your biographical, like your bodily information is going. You don't know what they plan to do with it. So everyone that signed up for this to get their little incentives now is literally walking yourself in to universal basic income, into a CBDC, into a digital ID like China, where you cross the street the wrong way in China, then you get points deducted. I was talking to some students yesterday from China. They showed me their social credit score and how they didn't return a power bank, a little portable charger on time, so they had points removed from their social score. That is where we're going, and that's what Worldcoin does. So again, any person or any project that's promoting something like this is not for you, and is not for freedom, and is not for prosperity. Please remember that. Please remember that. It is absolutely insane that this is allowed to go on. Especially because the Worldcoin is crashing conferences that they shouldn't even be at. Thank you for the information, by the way, from a dedicated friend in this chat. Letting me know that on the last day of a Bitcoin mining conference, Worldcoin jacked a booth and started, even though they weren't supposed to be a part of this event, shilling Worldcoin. How is that okay? Like I said, you want universal basic income, you want to give away your rights, then use Worldcoin. Because now, Worldcoin says it will allow companies and governments to use its ID system. Just in case universal basic income comes about and the governments just need their help. Why? This is why Bitcoin comes into play. Bitcoin, prosperity, freedom, life, liberty, and property. Bitcoin gives you all of that. Worldcoin, CBDC's universal basic income takes that all away. Do not trade in your freedom for convenience. We've done this way too many times before, and I can't stress it enough to stop it. Stop. Don't let anybody hold your hands anymore. Be your own bank. Learn responsibility. This is what it's all about. Worldcoin says it's going to allow governments to use its ID system. Worldcoin is going to expand its operation to sign up more users globally and aims to allow other organizations to use its iris scanning and verified technology, a senior manager for the company said behind the project told the press. They said, "We're on the mission." They set up sites all around the world, by the way, that it says, Worldcoin says 2.2 million people have signed up, mostly during a trial period, and data watchdogs in Britain, France, and Germany have said they're looking into the project. Quote, "We are on a mission of building the biggest financial identity community that we can," says Ricardo, general manager for Europe at Tools for Humanity, the San Francisco and Berlin-based company behind the project. They said that Worldcoin will continue rolling out operations in Europe, Latin America, Africa, and all the parts of the world that will accept them. Worldcoin's website mentions various possible applications, including distinguishing humans from AI, enabling global democratic processes, and showing a potential path to universal basic income. Although these outcomes are not guaranteed, but this is their aim. Wow. So horrible. They said, "I don't think we're going to be the ones generating universal basic income. If we can do the infrastructure that allows governments or other entities to do so, we would be very happy." They said the idea is that they build the infrastructure so that they allow other third-party users to use that technology. Are you kidding me? You don't know what they're doing with your identity. You don't know how much they can control your life now. Because if you're walking on the street now and Worldcoin takes over, then they're going to know who you are by walking on the street. And if you, again, like in China, cross the street the wrong way, then you have no rights anymore. And your score is too low, see you later. Bye. You have no rights anymore because you like Worldcoin, because you scanned your eyeball, because you gave your private keys away to Worldcoin. They want to use account abstraction. They want you to give your private keys and connect your wallet to Worldcoin so that way you could have account recovery, someone holding your hand, so that way you could just sign up for universal basic income.
So should I sell my Worldcoin then?
Bruh.
What the actual...
It's time to cue the Gary Gensler audio MTC ha ha ha.
Hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes. Hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes.
Thank you for the 5. Like I said, I'm not going to go too deep into it. They did get some backlash, though, from Kenya. They halted the operations there, and they want to ensure that there are no risks to the public. So there's a little bit of speculation there, but it is what it is. Not trying to get rowdy out here. But what? Guys, where are we on the halving? Where are we? We got 23 minutes. Is this accurate? I know Patrick is going to yell at me for going on that one. So we got 22 minutes. Is this correct? How many? I don't know. This one doesn't say how many blocks we have left. Wow, this is really good information, too. Total Litecoin in circulation is 73.499 million. That's really cool. Total Litecoin to ever be produced, 84 million, of course. Total percentage of Litecoin mined, 87%. Total Litecoin left to be mined is 10.5 milli. Wow, this is really interesting. I really like all of this stuff. Blocks remaining until the reward halvings. It says 9. Is this correct? Is this true? Guys, let me know. We need 3 more likes. 125. Let's do it. Let's get it. Guys, how far are we from the Litecoin halving? It's correct? All right. I'll continue on. We know the digital euro is underway. The World Economic Forum is planning for a digital euro, promising complete privacy. They say, how will the digital euro work? It says the European Central Bank is tasked with securing the nuts and bolts of the digital euro, which it says could complement cash and be launched as soon as 2027. You know that's coming before. With the digital euro, people might be able to pay in public money. Uniquely, they will be able to pay both online and offline. The digital currency is going to be stored in a wallet and used for offline and online payments, meaning they could be made from devices without an internet connection, such as from a remote area or an underground car park. They say it would be safe, secure, instant, and convenient, offering consumer choice alongside private digital payment options such as cards and apps. They said that there's going to be a lot of central bank digital currencies because they wanted to have advocates of central bank operated currencies argue that having a centralized authority provides stability and allows monetary policies to address economic challenges, unlike decentralized and unregulated currencies known for their high volatility. So they're taking a stab at Bitcoin, at crypto right there. They said that progress in the U.S. has been halted, but China is the first major economy to launch a pilot in 2019. 11 countries have fully launched a digital currency. But it says a total of 130 countries representing 98% of the global GDP are exploring a CBDC. CBDCs are coming through. Be careful. Understand what CBDCs mean. The ends of your freedom. The World Economic Forum says right now the digital euro is coming through. There's going to be privacy, which you know there's not going to be privacy. And that 130 countries that represent 98% of the global GDP are exploring a central bank digital currency, and 11 countries have already launched their digital currency. Be aware of this, know how far this is getting, and how you have to protect yourself with Bitcoin, something that's finite, has an inflation schedule, and you're able to own it, transact without permission, and without borders. Remember that. Everyone's losing their noodles in the chat. What's going on? How many times? It says, So we almost have, okay, hold on. Let me go back on this website. What is the actual block that I have to look for here? Like, what is the block number that the halving is going to be on? So I could know what I'm looking at here. We have, it says 6 blocks away. I see you guys have some different things going on in the chat. Are you guys looking at the actual, like, blockchain and stuff? Like, what are you guys looking at for this? Yeah, 2.5 minute block times, but the last block was 6 minutes. What do you mean? This is so confuzzling. Guys, we hit 130 likes. Pamp it up. Oh, shoot. Pamp it up. Nice. What block explorer do you use for Litecoin, Patrick? So which blockchain explorer do you like? Because I know I use Etherscan. I have one. Or do you use, like, what is it? Blockchain dot. What is it? Forgot the website. But what block explorer are you looking at? It says nice hash clock is off a little bit. Yeah, this says 20 minutes. This says 12. So that's a big difference. We also have, guys, the Litecoin giveaway. Please stop lacking on the Litecoin giveaway. Please check this out. It is blowing up. We need you to get in on it, too. Give yourself a chance to win 2 Litecoin. I'm ending this at 5 o'clock today, so I know there's a lot of hype for the halving. Going to give you guys some extra time. Please enter that giveaway ASAP. ASAP. Let's go. Enter. 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 Give yourself a chance. Win 2 Litecoin. Woo. Woo. There you go. 2.5 minutes is the target based off of luck and difficulty. That could be shorter or longer. I do see that. I do see that as an item. I do see that as an item here. We're so close, guys. We have 11 minutes until the halving. It seems like this is going pretty quick. Did I win yet? Yeah, we did. We got 130 likes, man. Yeah, so I guess we're gonna see what happens, guys. Anyone who wins, send it back to MTC. No. I want everyone to have their spoils, their wins. I did partner with Cake Wallet, so please shout out to Cake Wallet on that. Make sure you guys are following Cake Wallet on Twitter. You guys check out cakewallet.com. You're able to download a Cake Wallet on pretty much any device that you have. Store your Bitcoin, Litecoin, Monero, spend it, do whatever you need to do with it. Be your own bank. Have fun. Enjoy it. Let's talk more news. We got Google Cloud. Google Cloud is going to run a validator on Cello network. So Google Cloud has been all about blockchain. Solana, everything. Thank you for the heart me, AJ. Solana, they wanted to work on Bitcoin. They partnered with Coinbase for crypto payments for Google Cloud services. Now they're going to run a validator on Cello network. The Cello Foundation announced on Wednesday that the blockchain node... Sorry, that thing was glitching out. The Cello Foundation announced on Wednesday that Google's computing cloud services, Google Cloud, will run a validator on Cello network, joining Deutsche Telekom and other ecosystem contributors. A validator participates in verifying new transactions and helps maintain the security of the blockchain. Initiatives built on Google Cloud and Cello's longstanding relationship, including a previous collaboration where the Web2 giant worked on Cello to offer workshops and cloud computing services to develop a Web3 founders build on the network. The Cello network recently passed a proposal to migrate from its own independent blockchain to an Ethereum Layer 2 solution in a bid to simplify liquidity sharing between the two networks and boost security. I don't know. I think a lot of people should try to do their own blockchain instead of hopping on ETH. I don't know if we could rely on that forever. In order to streamline and accelerate the proposed transition to ETH ecosystem, C Labs will leverage Google Cloud's blockchain node engine, a fully managed node hosting service. The blockchain node engine will facilitate node operations by relaying transactions and not waiting for nodes to sync, making it easier for Cello 2.0 to align with ETH, according to the press release. Quote, at Google Cloud, we're focused on strengthening the Web3 ecosystem by offering founders and developers the tools they need to scale their applications. This was the director of digital assets at Google Cloud, saying running a validator on the Cello network builds on our collaboration with the Cello Foundation, and we look forward to helping enable the growth of the network. Cello Foundation was the founding partner of Google Cloud's Web3 startup program. Wow. Would you just take a gander at that? We do need more likes. We need more likes. We need 150 likes. I don't know where everyone is. Everyone, wake up your mom, wake up your sister, your brother, your uncle, your cousin, your best friend, even someone you may not have talked to since high school. Hit them up. Be like, yo, you got to tune into this stream. History is happening. Litecoin halving. I see we have Litecoin Lisa. Litecoin Lisa, hello. Hello. I miss you. Say hi to Nana. Say hi to the family. Wake up your cat. Yes, wake up everybody. Wake them up. Tag me on the x.com if you tagged me, if you shared this stream out. Let me know. Oh, no, don't do that. That'll bring some bad juju. It'll bring some bad juju. This is very exciting. Like I said, we have the Litecoin block. Oh, my gosh, 4 minutes. Whoa! It's happening! Oh, shoot. We got 4 minutes and 20 seconds, guys. This is an interesting number. Now it's 2 minutes. Now it's 2. Guys, what's correct? Where are my miners? Ow! I also have a special gift for 84, by the way. For 84 super chat. That I have a Litecoin. I have a little Litecoin gift for that. 2 minutes until... Whoa! Guys, hit the like. Share the stream out with your mom. Let's go. This is insane. This is insane. Guys, this is history in the making. This is wild. I remember when Litecoin turned 10. I did the interview with Charlie Lee. It was so lit. Now, wow. Litecoin is one of the things that got me into this space. Bitcoin, Litecoin, I loved it. We're on block 2,520,000. Oh, shoot. It's happening. It's happening. Litecoin halving. Oh, my gosh. We're here. We're here. Do we have? This block will be 6.25. Oh, my gosh. Woo. Let's get the chart. Let's get the chart. Let's get the Litecoin chart. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, my shoot. We're going to the 1 minute chart, family. Oh, my sheesh. Oh, my sheesh. Oh, my gosh, guys. Are we here? Are we here? Are we there? Are we square? History in the making. Let's go. We're having it. We're having. Whoa. Guys, wow, we're having right now historical time in Litecoin. Let's go, guys. Pamp it up for the halving. This is what we've been waiting for, guys. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's get it. Miners, let me know when this is officially official. The next block will be 6.25 Litecoin. Happy halving, everyone. Happy halving. Dave Digital, I'm happy to be with you too. I'm happy to be with every single one of you guys. This is insane. Woo LTC, Litecoin price isn't moving. I don't care about the price. I don't care. I care about sound money. I care about us having something that has a controlled inflation schedule, peer-to-peer transactions, purely decentralized in a network that has no downtime. And that is Litecoin. That is Litecoin. Longest running blockchain with no downtime. The only thing you can really rely on, Litecoin. And of course, Bitcoin. But Litecoin. We're on the 1 minute chart right now. We're on the 1 minute chart. $88.94. Guys, we are going to look back at this stream. We're going to look back at this stream and literally be like, wow. This is what we were doing during the Litecoin halving. Wow. Is this official, guys? Is this official? This is insane. This is insane. History in the making. People are going to be like, wow, you were there during the Litecoin halving. You were there when Litecoin is $88. Shoosh, yeah. Shoosh, yeah. We were here, pamp it up.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Happy halving, everybody. Happy halving. This is amazing. History in the making. Look!
MTC is the best.
Thank you. Look, there it is! Let's go, guys. We halved!
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Thank you for the $84 super chat. Woo! Guys, we are here. We halved. We halved. Happy Litecoin halving, everybody. Damn. We did it. We have halved. We have made it. Pew, pew, pew. Wow.
Retro Mike should be accepted back into a heart.
Whoa. Thank you, Dave Digital. I don't know. I don't know. We need 7 more likes, guys. Listen, we have a thing, I guess. I don't know what that is exactly, but I don't know. It's a little complicated. It's just I have the constant need to shush him. Thank you. And I also love WWE so much. I'm like just thinking of like, you know, where like the halving makes me feel like jumping off the top rope. Woo! Are you serious, Patrick Murphy? The other countdown is still going? Oh no, man. Oh no, yeah, it is still going. We got Litecoin right now on the minute chart. This is wild, guys. Look at the minute chart on Litecoin. We're starting to see a little bit of pickup since we halved a few minutes ago. We're starting to pick up a little bit. We were at $87 Litecoin, $88 Litecoin, and now we're at $89. So let's see if we pamp it up, if we make it back up to that $91 range, because that's what we really look for, is being able to hit that resistance and just keep on going, right, until we go back up to like 105 and stuff like that. But we need to pass 91, go to 96. Guys, if you have not touched grass, take a gander at this halving. Know that history was certainly made, even though we have a lot of, we had some bearish volume coming in here. Oh, shoot, my bad. We take a look at market Cipher. It seems like we got that green money flow coming in on the minute, which we haven't seen for a little bit. Like an hour, but we have some green money flow coming through. So I don't know, guys. We halved. It's gonna listen. No matter what happens with price action, because again, you look at the price action before, flat after the first halving, then we had a nice run during a bull market, and then the second halving, of course, we didn't do that great with Litecoin price action. But again, price doesn't matter. What matters is that we halved. What matters is that we have a controlled inflation schedule, a decentralized network. That's proof of work. That is the longest running blockchain with no downtime. That is what we're celebrating here. We are celebrating an historic time in crypto, a historic time for blockchain history. Was right now the Litecoin halving, being able to know that we have a controlled inflation schedule, that we can't just print Litecoin out of thin air. That's it. That's what matters. Ozzy, stop the madness, bro. Stop the madness. Because you're like, oh, price matters. I understand. However, price does not always equal value. I value Litecoin. I value how fast it is, how cheap it is. Is touch grass the same thing as smoke 'em if you got 'em? I don't know, Lisa. That's a good question. Like, for me, touching grass is like, calm down, go outside, go touch grass. Like, go sit in a field, touch the ground, and feel better. Like, that to me is what go touch grass means. Touch grass, enjoy yourself, breathe the fresh air, because we're all behind our computers, Lisa. I know you're outside, you're poolside and stuff, but not all. A lot of us are just nerds that can't leave the computer, Lisa. Oh, shoot. Thank you for the rose. Aww. 90 is not cheap. I'm not saying $90 is cheap. What I'm saying about cheap is that if you transact, it is so cheap. Whether you're spending $5 or $1 million, you're going to pay a penny or less in fees. That is cheap. That is something that you can't do with Bitcoin, unfortunately. But Litecoin, you could do that. Yeah. Most use blockchain for transactions. Exactly. Listen, this is history. I know there's a lot of different grasses, guys. Litecoin is pumping. Let's see. Well, it's not that crazy. We have $89.14 Litecoin. I mean, listen, it's just sideways. It's just been sideways since we halved. Oh no. I mean, listen, if you're mining Litecoin, you also mine Doge. So it's like a double whammy. You got your Litecoin and your Doge emojis in chat. Show that off. You guys are going off in this chat. We need 150 likes. Where are the 3 more likes, guys? We need that 3 more likes. Litecoin is $89.19 right now. Litecoin was $109 a month ago. Sure. Yeah, I know. But that's what happens. You look at Litecoin, it was literally half. Let's go to the daily. Hold on. We're going to the daily. Go to the chart last year. People, this was nap time for Litecoin, guys. We had a wick low of $40 Litecoin. People slept. They took a fat freaking nap. A nap. So you guys are talking about price. Besides Bitcoin, what else has doubled? Basically, Bitcoin almost doubled. Not exactly. We had that low of 15.5. We're at 29K now. But almost doubled. Take a look at this. $40 Litecoin slept on. $48 Litecoin slept on. Slept on 61. Slept on at 65. Slept on 72. And now people are probably going to sleep on this. And you know what? That's fine. Can't tell people what to do, right? However, Litecoin over doubled from last year. So I wouldn't be upset. At least it goes up and it sideways trades and it's actually holding its value versus pamping and damping, right? We don't want to pamp and damp. We need prosperity. Prosperity indeed. This is absolutely wild. Pamp it up indeed. Oh, thank you for the sub, my friend. Thank you for the sub. If you are here, again, smash these likes. Share the stream out with friends. Oh, yep.
Sound money.
Sound money. That's exactly what I'm talking about. That's what Litecoin is, the definition of sound money. Jimmy!
$150 for 150.
You said put that in my damp pamp. I will put that in my damp pamp. Thank you so much for the $150 super chat, Jimmy. What an icon, actually, Uncle Jimmy. Uncle Jimmy melting faces today. Whoa. Whoa. Thank you so much for the 150 super chat. Guys, we made it. We made it. We killed it today, man. We killed it. Fox Phoenix. Guys, we celebrated the halving.
A potato flew around my room before you came, excuse.
Yeah. A potato flew around our room. A potato. That was how fast the halving went. Shoo. Shoo. Wow. Thank you guys. Yes, this is our youth over here. Yeah, I'm enjoying the halving. I am so excited. We're at $88 Litecoin. We're down 5%. I don't know what's going to happen now. Am I a little crazy? Yes. Does Emma sing as good as me? No. I'll tell you that right now. I'll tell you who has the vocals. I'll tell you who's got the vocals. Oh, wow. Dave Digital, thank you for the 100 emojis. Make sure you guys are dropping those emojis. It's smoothie time. I would love to grab a smoothie. I need a smoothie too. Pineapple, mango, banana. Best smoothie. Putting you guys on right now. Putting you guys on. Pineapple, mango, banana. That is it. This was an amazing time. I am so happy, so blessed that we got to be able to talk about the Litecoin halving, experience the Litecoin halving, go off and pamp it up for the Litecoin halving. Guys, what? What's up, Echo Leaf? Mood to you. No G, man. No G. The halving is real. The halving is real. We did so good. We are here for prosperity. We're here for decentralization. Today, of course, a really important day in history for the Litecoin halving. And it plays into Bitcoin, too, because Bitcoin has the halving. And this is basically Bitcoin. Litecoin is basically Bitcoin, just faster, cheaper transaction fees, liquid, and sometimes you could say even more secure, being that it's the only blockchain that's the longest running blockchain with no downtime. Not even Bitcoin can say that. This is something that we are living through, decentralization, showing us that we could opt in to a decentralized financial ecosystem where we could transact without borders, without intermediaries, and have a financial system that we won't be devalued, where your time and your energy is not respected by the fiat system, where they just print money. And you are the one that has to pay the price for it because your dollar that you worked so hard to get is not worth as much as it is anymore. Crypto is your way out. Opt into something special. Opt into something that could save your wealth, save even your life when it comes to the tyranny that is the traditional financial system where you're not able to spend your money the way you want to spend your money. And digital currencies like central bank digital currencies are going to come in and try to take your rights away. Life, liberty, and property was exercised today with the Litecoin halving. This is it. Zesty, zesty, zesty day. Sir Lewis, what's up in the YouTube chat? Usually you're over there on TikTok with Morty. With Morty. What's up, Morty? BBB, I think I'm going to get 10 likes on the TikTok. Your finger hurts? Oh, yeah, we have 11.8K, so thank you. I appreciate it, BBB. Douglas, you're awesome. Welcome to the show. Welcome to the show. Ronsky, what's up, man? Guys, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Let's get 160 likes. We need 2 more likes. Yep, exactly. Exactly. You guys are just so on point in this chat. If you haven't yet, I'm going to shout it out. Please enter this giveaway. Right there. You heard the shock. What's up, Will? Enter this giveaway for the Litecoin halving. Give yourself an opportunity to win 2 Litecoin, which is about like, what, $180 right now? One person today at 5 p.m. Eastern is going to win 2 Litecoin. Do not miss your chance. Get in on this opportunity. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. We have the block. Oh, shoot. What happened to the Litecoin website? Oh, there we go. There we go. We had the Litecoin halving, so please enter that. Also, check out my picture from Colombia yesterday. Wow, it has 6,000 likes. Is this considered viral? What's viral to you guys? I don't know. This is absolutely wild. So thank you for your all of your love and affection on this post as well. If you haven't seen it, I'll drop this link in the chat as well. I'll drop this link in the chat. You guys know. You guys know the vibe. You guys know I'm here for freedom. I'm here for prosperity. I'm here for halvings like Litecoin. The halvenings. 6,000 likes, sheesh. Yeah, I mean, dude, this is actually insane. Actually insane. Thank you guys so much for the love. I appreciate every single person that showed up today. Every single person that contributed, whether that's a like, a view, a comment, subscribing, sharing the stream out with friends, super chats. All of it I appreciate to the absolute most. Again, this is what I want to do for the rest of my life, is celebrate amazing events like this with you guys. Make sure, again, you guys check out our sponsors, Cake Wallet. You check out Market Cipher. Also, under Cake Wallet's Twitter, just spam them and be like, thank you for the giveaway, and show them some love, Cake Wallet. They deserve some love, for real. If you guys haven't yet, smash these likes, subscribe, share the stream out with a friend so more people can celebrate the Litecoin halving with us. You guys are insane. You guys want $200 for 200 likes. Guys, smash these likes, man. Smash these likes. There is more to come. Absolutely, guys. This is, again, what I'm here for. The zest, the love, everything like that. So, again, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys have an amazing day. You continue to celebrate the halving. Go touch grass. Go relax. Enjoy. Because we know that we have self-sovereignty, that we have Litecoin, that we have Bitcoin. Keep calm, hodl on. If you haven't yet, take your crypto off of the exchanges. Jump into that Litecoin giveaway. Don't waste your zest. Use your zesty time on the internet to at least enter a giveaway. Please enter the giveaway. It's only beneficial for y'all. Did someone just say grass? I said touch grass. Didn't say anything else with other grass. I meant the grass on the ground.
You've earned everything you got today.
Aww. Yeah, I'm your Zest plug. Imagine I'm your plug for Zest. Not for anything else, for Zest. Thank you so much for the $20. Thank you so much. I can't. There's just so much love. I feel like I'm just getting a big hug right now. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys so much. I'm going to hodl on to this Litecoin. I'm gonna hodl on to this to these dollars as best as I can. So thank you guys so much. I am just wowed by the amount I was given today. So I don't even know how to process it. I don't even know how to, like, yeah. Thank you guys so much. Like, literally hugs for you. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Hope you guys have a lovely day. Again, smash these likes, share this stream out with friends. Oh my gosh, you guys don't even let me leave. Thank you. I appreciate it. Peace, love, and crypto. I love that too. Thank you for the 100 emoji, Ninja. I appreciate it. Guys, I know I said I'm leaving, but you guys keep sending me super chats. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys, again, with my whole heart. With my whole heart. Wait, I'm getting emails. I thought that was for another thing. It's not, so that's not going to pop up on screen. Okay. Thank you guys again. I appreciate every single one of you. Shout out to you guys. Smash these likes, share the stream out with friends. Comment after this is over. You guys know what to do. What happened today? Man, stay zesty. Stay zesty. Peace. I'll see you tomorrow. Woo!